Hello, I'm Sambit's mother. Sambit is going to be 5 years now on 20th November 2015. Last year we started visiting doctor in the month of October. Since then we have seen many changes in Sambit. Like when we approached Dr. Shah, Sambit he was having so many problems. Like he had poor eye contact, loose muscles, plus he was actually diagnosed with autism, and you can say like high level of autism. So now gradually we have seen, after so many months of treatment, we have seen many changes in him. He was very hyperactive earlier, now that has also reduced. His eye contact has also improved a lot. Now he is able to at least look into our eyes for a span of say around 1 minute. Earlier it was less than 5 seconds, and that's the reason he is able to pick up some of the, at least our lip movement, so he can understand exactly what we are asking him to do. But yeah, he is still not able to speak out properly, but he is trying his level best to at least make some sound. Earlier he was simply babbling, but then now he has started at least speaking mama, mum, say for example, or da, some of the other babbling sounds he has started making. So we have seen good improvement in him, and we hope that he will improve down the lane.